This video is for the Waterfall brushed nickel bathroom faucet. And I saw this thing and had to put it in. This whole bathroom, this bathroom here is going to get gutted and all new stuff. This is going to be a part of it, the new bathroom. Anyway, saw it. I was like, let's just put it on the old sink. Anyway, to this. This thing was so easy to install. It took me longer to take out the old faucet than to put this one in. Things about this faucet, this plate here underneath it, instead of foam, is actually a rubber gasket, a black rubber gasket, which is great. It's a whole much better than the foam. It actually gives you a tool. There's one single bolt that holds this thing together with a nice beefy clamp, as pictured with it. I'm not going to show it to you. It's already in the picture, the description. The only tool I needed to install this thing was this, and that's to tighten up the fittings. And I'm on well water, so I have kind of a low pressure, but it's still, yeah, there it goes. Works fantastic. It doesn't look like it is going to stain very much, but this is going to be part of the new bathroom as soon as we gut this thing in about 2 weeks. But anyway, I saw it, had to install it. And get a side shot for you guys. There it is. Anyway, fantastic faucet, easy to put in, less than 5 minutes when it showed up. I had this thing installed after getting the old one out. And it's held by one bolt, but that thing holds pretty good. I'm trying to yank it around, but it's in there. Anyway, there you go. Thank you for watching.
This was very easy to install. I think it really elevates the look of my bathroom. The water pressure is almost too much, but I feel like if I need to dial back the water pressure, I can just do that under the cabinet. I would definitely recommend this. Also, this is the press button here. I've read a lot of reviews about people saying water accumulating, but in this sink with the provided hardware that they give you, not a problem.
yellow.